Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change an alternator on an Audi A4. First, always prioritize safety. Disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery to prevent electrical shocks. Make sure the engine is completely cool to avoid burns. Have your tools ready, including a serpentine belt tool, a socket set, and a torque wrench, to make the process smooth and efficient. Now, let's gain access to the alternator. You will need to remove the front bumper of your Audi A4. This provides ample space to work. Next, drain about 5 liters of coolant from the radiator to prevent any spills during the process. Then, using a serpentine belt tool, release the tension on the serpentine belt and carefully remove it from the pulleys. With access clear, it's time to remove the old alternator. First, disconnect the main power cable and the smaller control wire from the back of the unit. These are typically secured with a nut and a clip. Next, locate and unbolt the 2 mounting bolts that hold the alternator to the engine block. Once unbolted, carefully maneuver the old alternator out of its confined space. Now for the installation of your new alternator. Carefully place the new unit into position and secure it with the 2 mounting bolts, tightening them to the manufacturer's specifications. Reconnect both the main power cable and the smaller control wire. Finally, reinstall the serpentine belt, ensuring it is correctly routed and has the proper tension. Refill the coolant, reconnect the battery, and you are all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.